Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here again. Real world AI applications is what we're going to be covering today. And here is my lovely crystal ball. So, welcome, future AI experts. So, today we're peeking into the crystal ball of technology to even find mind blowing real world AI applications. It's like we're touring a high tech theme park. So, fasten your seatbelts, team. So here we are. I call it the Wheel of Fortune. So let's spin our wheel and see or explore some game-changing AI applications. So here we are. Let's start here. First step, healthcare. AI is revolutionary medicine by analyzing medical images to detect diseases really early. We're also able to predict patient outcomes much sooner. And finally, AI is being used to assist in drug discovery, particularly generative AI. Fantastic. Let's move on to our next item, autonomous vehicles. So AI is taking the wheel by processing sensor data in real time, making split-second driving decisions just like a human, optimizing routes and traffic flow. And we're seeing improved safety outcomes. It's like having a Formula One driver and a GPS wizard all in one. Down here, we're going to look at NLP or natural language processing. So AI is changing how we interact with technology through things like voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, language translation services, chatbots for customer services. So being able to detect, for example, the sentiment of a call as the customer service agent is taking the call and understanding whether the call is going well. If it's not going well, we can take action. It's breaking down language barriers faster than you can say hello in 100 languages. No, I'm not going to say hello in 100 languages. We don't have time. It's just a 5-minute video. And finally, over here, cybersecurity. Detecting and preventing cyber attacks in real time, identifying unusual patterns in network traffic, automating incident response. And then finally, over here, smart home. Last but not least, AI is making our homes work smarter, not harder. So, managing our energy consumption, automating routine tasks, enhancing our security posture of our house, and helping us detect when bad things happen in real time. Imagine your home anticipating your needs before you even think of them. And there you have it. 5 incredible ways AI is changing the world. Now, this list is not exhausted. Financial services, legal, there are many other industries, but I only have time for these 5. So remember these 5 key applications, and you'll be well prepared for any exam questions on real world AI use cases. Now, down the bottom here, if you Google AWS customer success stories, you'll be able to find some examples of AI success stories. Toyota is a really, really good one. So have a look at that for autonomous driving. And then the other one over here is Orion Health, a really good one for healthcare team. And there you have it, folks. So if you've found today's dive into the wild world of AI a mind-blowing experience, smash that like button. Well, just press it actually. That'll be fine. Just remember, liking our videos like teaching an AI to feel emotions. It won't work, but it'll make me feel better. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hopefully you have, but if you haven't, do it now. We want you to subscribe, so hit that subscribe button. Join our community where we will promise to keep you smarter than the average chatbot. That's it, folks. Keep your eyes open. You'll start seeing AI in action in every aspect of your life when you look around. It's amazing. This is Digital Colmer signing off.